Random one.
Random, yeah?
A bloke in his pants licking stuff.
Say that again? I didn't hear you.
I've seen a bloke around here in his pants licking stuff. Did you get that? Did you get it?
So, that was cold, fam. New toy, the XK Match. I see everyone online going mad about this car. I see everyone running it, so I thought, let me try it out, see what it's all about. The XK Match, WO Toys, whatever you want to call it. It's a 1/10 scale, 4-wheel drive, 2S LiPo. Right, so let's open it. So you've got your manual, rear wing there, you've got a charger. Got your transmitter there. 4 AA's in there, guys. Yeah, 4 AA's, and you're good to go. So it comes with these little buttons here, guys. Yeah, to put on your rear wing. So you put your little button there. You get your little screw. Put your screw through there. And you screw that on. Boom! And it's done. So this is the battery it comes with, guys. 2200 milliamps, 25C. So we got the same ESC all in one, the same ESC and motor that runs in the 124019 and 18, and the 1440 whatever it's called, guys. You know the car I'm talking about, but it's in a bigger car now. I presume it shouldn't run as fast or it shouldn't be as quick, but yeah, we've got a little center diff there. Well, I'll say center spool because it doesn't look like it's got any diff or no oil in there, no back casing. Got some thick drive shafts, front and rear coilovers. Metal drive shafts. Yeah, we've got these carpet tires on there. Astro carpet tires, guys. Why would you put these on there? Who's running on Astro and carpet? Come on, WO Toys. They fitted the fan to the ESC. That's the WO Toys XK Match, whatever you want to call it. We're gonna test it out, guys, and see what it's saying. So let's get the battery in, get the body, and let's go and take it for a rip and see what it's saying. If you're interested in this or you like this car, guys, there'll be a link in the description down below. Guys, we've got the WO Toys, the Match. WO Toys Match. Guys, so we've got the Match versus the famous 144001 Driver P, yeah? Alright, let's go. 3, 2, 1, go. Run the tree. camera, bro. Come on, mate. Get up. Ah! Hey, did you see that, guys? Bro, oh, your wheel popped off. We'll see if it's repaired.
Random one. Random, yeah? A
Huh?
bloke in his pants licking stuff.
Say that again? I didn't hear you.
I've seen a bloke around here in his pants licking stuff.
Have we seen a bloke run in his pants?
Yeah,
No, we haven't.
licking stuff.
I thought you was coming for us for a minute.
No,
We
that's
actually-
what I said random one.
No, I haven't seen we haven't seen no one around here.
No.
Yeah, repaired the file key. It might work. Right, it's pretty- I'll send you over, innit? Wait there now! Come on, bro. Can't even hit the roof. Nah, bro. I'm gonna hit it before you.
Did you get that? Did you get it?
So, that was cold, fam. You're dangerous, bro.